Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about how to check if our WordPress site is hacked or not. So in this video we are going to talk about if someone somehow gets access to your site and start making changes on your WordPress core files, then there is a way to check if that happened or not. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called WPvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So for that we need to use wp-cli command, and the command is wp core verify checksums. Now here I have opened my WordPress site, and this is the command which verifies WordPress files against wordpress.org's checksums. So WordPress had made some checks, and using this command we can check that if something is wrong with their core files, then we will know by running this command. So I'm gonna open my terminal over here, and I will go to the root of my WordPress site. So this is the root of my WordPress site, and this is a fresh install, WordPress 6.6.2, which is latest. And without doing anything, let me run this command wp core verify checksums. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it over here. So it says WordPress installation verifies against checksums. That means everything is fine. Now let me make a change in some random core file. Let's say I'm going to open this class WP block list, and let me add some script. Now this will possible only if someone got access to your files. So first thing first, you should change your FTP detail and server detail in order to avoid more damage. Then you should do this. So now if I run this command wp core verify checksums, so it is giving me a warning that file doesn't verify against checksum, and this is the file, and this is the file we just modified. So this is how we will know if our site got hacked or not. So once you got the file, you open the file and maybe check if something is wrong or not. And if you are not sure, then what to do. So this is my local WordPress. So first take the backup of all your file and database, and then simply run this command wp core download force. So this will download all the core file again without affecting your database and any data of the site. So now I'm gonna run this command, and I will open this file. So it will download a fresh WordPress core files, and whatever the newly code added on the file will be gone. So now our site is back to normal, and if I can show you that the site is running fine after downloading our core files. So the limitation of the command is that we can check only if our core files are affected or not. If you have third-party plugins, there is no way to check that by commands. So hope this information is helpful. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thank you.